Good morning, students. Today I shall discuss about pluralities and inequalities among societies. Pluralities means not single, that means many, isn't it? And inequalities means difference, not similar. And in our society, many people reside and each individual is different from other individual. And whenever we talk about society, we indicate some sections of people in a particular locality. But in our town, you can imagine how many societies are there. And each society is different from other. But while talking with a foreigner, when we use the term our society, it means Indian society. But when amongst fellow Indians, we may use the term our society to denote a linguistic or ethnic community or religious or caste or tribal society. That means each society has the characteristics, and with the help of that characteristics we point out that particular society. Okay. So a quote from Amartya Sen illustrates how inequality is central to differences among societies. Some Indians are rich, most are not. Some are well educated, others are illiterate. Some are politically powerful, others cannot influence anyone. Some have great opportunities for advancement in life, others lack them altogether. Some are treated with respect by police, others are treated like a dirt. So these are the differences. Mostly we see in our society. Those who are rich, they are powerful. They can take advantage of all the policies. And because of that, there is a difference between rich and poor sections of people. And there is inequality in the society. Okay, and these different kinds of inequality, and each of them requires serious attention in our society. If we can remove those differences, then only society as a whole will develop. Otherwise, till the time when inequalities will be there, society will be differentiated and there will be conflict.